Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently delete your Grubhub account, follow these simple steps to close your account. Step 1. Before deleting your account, make sure you have no pending orders or active deliveries. Step 2. Open the Grubhub app or go to grubhub.com and log into your account using your email and password. Step 3. Tap on your profile icon and select Account Settings from the menu options. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Privacy or Account section. Step 5. Look for the option to Delete Account or Close Account at the bottom of the settings page. Step 6. Click on Delete Account and read the information about what happens when you close your account, including loss of order history and saved payment methods. Step 7. Grubhub will ask you to provide a reason for deleting your account. Select the most appropriate reason from the drop-down menu. Step 8. Enter your password to confirm your identity and verify that you want to permanently delete your Grubhub account. Step 9. Click the Final Confirmation button to complete the account deletion process. Step 10. You will receive a confirmation email once your account has been permanently deleted. Save this email for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.